Adding linear expressions practice. Number 1, 4x plus 8 plus 7x plus 3. There's nothing to distribute, so I'm just going to rewrite 4x plus 8 plus 7x plus 3. And then combine like terms. 4x plus 7x is 11x. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So my answer is 11x plus 11. Number 2, again, there's nothing to distribute, so I'm just going to rewrite it without parentheses. Negative 3x plus 7 minus 6x plus 9. So all I did was rewrite this without the parentheses and without the plus sign because it didn't change anything inside the parentheses. Now combine like terms. Negative 3 minus 6. We use additive inverse to keep the first number. Change subtraction to addition. Take the opposite of the second number. My signs are the same, so I add and keep the sign. That's negative 9x. And 7 plus 9 is 16. So my answer is negative 9x plus 16. For number 3, there's nothing that I can distribute. So I have x minus 10. And then I have 3x minus 6. Once you get rid of your parentheses, you combine like terms. X plus 3x is 4x. Negative 10 minus 6, I use additive inverse. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition, take the opposite of the second number. Negative 10 plus negative 6 is negative 16. So I just write minus 16. My answer is 4x minus 16. Number 4, there's nothing to distribute, so I have negative 3x minus 7. In the second expression, there's nothing to distribute, so I write 4 plus 4x plus 7. Combine like terms. Negative 3x plus 4x, my signs are different, so I subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. If 1 is your coefficient, then you don't write 1, you just write x. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. Those are 0 pairs. They cancel each other out. So my answer is x. Number 5, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 14 is 28. Plus 2x minus 14, because there's nothing to distribute. Combine like terms. 2x plus 2x is 4x. And 28 minus 14 is 14. My answer is 4x plus 14. For number 6, I have nothing to distribute in the first expression. In the second expression, I have 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. 11x plus 7x is 18x. Negative 8 minus 7, I use additive inverse. And I have the same sign, so I add them and keep the sign. My answer is 18x minus 15. Number 7, write a linear expression in simplest form to represent the perimeter of a triangle at the right. Then find the perimeter if the value is 10 millimeters. So to find the perimeter, you add up all the sides. So this is 7x plus 8 plus 6x plus 6 plus 9x minus 4. I'm not distributing anything, so I'm just going to rewrite this without parentheses. 7x plus 8 plus 6x plus 6 plus 9x minus 4. Combine like terms. 7x plus 6x is 13x plus 9x is 22x. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. It says find the perimeter if the value of x is 10, so I'm going to plug in 10 for x. 22 times 10 is 220, plus 10 is 230, millimeters. For number 8, a rectangle has side lengths of 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 6. Find the perimeter. Write the perimeter, the linear expression in simplest form to represent the perimeter, and then find out if the value is 12, the value of x is 12. So I have two sides that are 2x minus 5, so 2 times 2x minus 5, plus two sides that are 2x plus 6. So I'm going to distribute. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 6 is 12. 4x plus 4x is 8x. Negative 10 plus 12, my signs are different. So 8x plus 2 is the simplified expression. Plug in 12. 8 times 12 plus 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 96 plus 2 is 98. The perimeter is 98 meters. Number 9. Find the sum of x plus 5 and negative 4x minus 2 and 2x minus 1. So I'm not distributing anything. I've got x plus 5 minus 4x minus 2 plus 2x minus 1. X minus 4x is negative 3x plus 2x is negative x. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. It's negative x plus 2. Number 10, negative 3.5x plus 1 7/10 plus 9 1/10 x minus 3/10. Negative 3.5x plus 9.1x, my signs are different, so I subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. My bigger number is positive, so my answer is positive. 1.7 minus 0.3 is 1.4, and it's positive. 5 5/10 x plus 1 4/10. Five tenths x plus 15 plus 8 2/10 x minus 16 6/10. There's nothing to distribute, so I just combine like terms. 8.2 plus 5/10 is 8 7/10 x. 15 minus 16.6. Line up your decimals. Add a 0 where there's nothing there. That gives you negative 1.6. Your bigger number is negative, so your answer is negative 8.7x minus 1.6.